I'm just going to go and register for Thunder Underground Friday morning, and it's absolutely lashed out all night. But it's a bit drier this morning, right? Well, I'm seeing a bit drier. It's clouds pretty. You can see the clouds in the sky, right? But it's supposed to be gonna get brighter, like. Well, hopefully anyway. Well, it'll be what it'll be. Like, I mean, there's nothing to do about it. Like, there's a bit of sunshine there. Ooh, a little bit of sunshine. Oh. Right, folks, we're just gonna go through Grant and that now. We're going to Aviemore, right? So I'll bring you back when I get to Aviemore. I'll see you in a bit. I'm just gonna pull onto the resort now. Huh? Not yet. Huh?
Don't go in that lane. Go in that lane there.
The what?
From there. There's a bike already in. Go down there where that guy is with the baseball cap, okay?
Right, right, I've got it.
You go see Hillary.
Right.
There you go, sir. Sorry.
Just eat me. Fucking bastard. Aye. I've just,
Are you in the hotel, like?
no, I'm at Granton with my van on the big site at Granton.
Alright.
Granton. I mean, I didn't stay here last year, I stayed over there and all, to be honest
Oh,
with
so
you.
you're
Like,
not coming here at all. But when you said I'll see you tomorrow.
well, I knew I was coming to register and I was going to pop up and have a walk on and find you, but...
Right. Well, when you go in, obviously in the campervan part, turn left, down past the toilets, our van's just on the right hand side. J4 TOF. Only in the burner in it now.
Aye. I was going to put the bike in the bike pot and just walk through. Like.
Just walk through, right? Just tell Les, he'll have a list of all the campervans. Just say, I'm the lad who Tony's been talking about, Ernie Smith.
Oh, right.
I'm not stopping on here this year, but I just want to go and see him and say hello in the van.
Oh, right.
If he gets stopped, that's
All right.
Alright. I'm just going to go and fill this with water and it won't be long.
What are you doing there?
Perfect. Sweet.
All right, man. Right, that's us done. Hit the registration for a walk around and talk to a few people. Been a canny rainstorm right there before, eh? A deluge, a deluge. So we're going back now to see Brody. Hope it stays off the rain for the ride out tomorrow, right? It would be good if it did, like. We'll see. Just come out to secure a bike parking area next to the car park where the motorhomes go on. And they're still coming in, as you can see. Well, of course, somebody's Friday, like, so.
Numbers there, 1, 2, 4. Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, thank you. We're getting back towards Grantown now. Gotta see what I'm doing. Nice sunshine on the hills there. It's nice to see John and Lorraine there at Aviemore. Nice surprise. So I couldn't spend too much time with me because obviously I was with a group of people. No, I mean, few minutes, big chat. Good to catch up. What might see him tomorrow anyway in Grantown when the excuse me when the ride comes into Grantown. They might be in Grantown tomorrow, so we'll see. We shall see. Don't know how long this man record will last night, but I hope it lasts tomorrow. I might put a GoPro on tomorrow like as well. Just to see if I can catch the ride, like, so there's lots still arriving, like obviously, but just Friday people's at work, so oh, it's quite warm. I was going to have a look for a jacket at that road skidding place, but the ones I seen, I don't know, I just didn't feel like them. I didn't. They didn't do no for us, if you know what I mean. I mean, I don't really need it because I was like, I mean, I've got a few jackets and all, like, but and a couple of these Kevlar shirts, but to be honest with you, I'll actually rise a Kevlar, uses a Kevlar shirt no matter what the weather. They're such more comfortable, much more comfortable, like flexible. And the Kevlar, I mean, they've got a good rating, so good, it's decent protection in the shirts, like. Oh yeah, fella. Lots of us on the way back to the campsite. Back at site now. Jesus. Right folks, that's the back campsite.